All right, so very clearly I need a new chair. This thing has served its purpose, but the biggest problem, Nate, if you come close, down here, I don't know if you can see this, but this is not food, this is not crumbs, this is bits of the chair. And our robot butler is getting sick and tired of cleaning this up. Robot butler being the Roomba, the iRobot, Go Long, IRBT, those things are awesome. But yeah, the chart is not the chart, the chair, I do like technical charts though. The chair is falling totally apart. So I need a new one and I'm gonna take you along with me. And I think I know what I'm gonna get, but right now it's just theory because who knows where we're going. Maybe I'll find something else, but I think I know what I want. And hopefully they let us film in the store. And I'm gonna go get a new trading chair because like you saw, I definitely need it. A fun little fact here about West Michigan where I live, Grand Rapids area to be specific, is that there are some really big furniture companies here. Grand Rapids, one of their exports is furniture. And one of the big companies, Herman Miller, which is a publicly traded company, I don't know their ticker symbol, and a steel case here too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's Hayworth.
That's Nate, the guy behind the scenes at ClayTrader.com, so I'm not talking to myself, and you are not hearing voices. There is somebody else in the car. So there's three, who else?
Hayworth.
Okay, so there's three big furniture companies here. I bring all that up because where we are headed is actually to like the outlet store where, I don't know, a chair gets like a ding or a scratch on it, and then they slashed it by like 50%. So that's what I'm after. I want to find something that's like 50% off, maybe even more, because it's got like a little scratch on it or who knows what. So that is one little advantage that I realize most people, I don't know, maybe they do mail stuff from the outlet website because the store does have a website too. And actually we'll put a link up to that right now just so you can see where I'm going, because maybe they do ship and maybe you can find something at a good price too. But that is my goal, to go and find something that is either scratched or dented and get a good
keep
price.
Going straight. Don't turn here.
Don't turn? Okay.
Yeah, keep going.
Google. We're listening to Google. Hopefully Google doesn't let us right. And then Nate also, did you get your chair from here?
Yeah, that's where I got mine. Yep.
Okay. He got in. You said you can negotiate, right?
Yeah.
Did you negotiate it?
I did, yes.
How did you do? Did you get it down some?
I did. It was like 5 years ago though, so I do not recall what I actually paid for it.
Do you recall the strategy of negotiating though?
I think I just said, can you do any less?
That sounds kind of, I don't know, maybe I'll start off there.
It was pretty weak.
For those of you that do like negotiating though, I'll quick plug another video I did way back when I bought the truck that we're in right now. Kind of did the same thing, brought you along, you as the viewer, and there was some negotiating that happened in that one. So if you're curious about that or just, you know, enjoy vehicles or whatever, then we'll put the link down below and you can check out that video if you want. So that is the strategy right now. Go here, find something nicked or dented, and then try to even negotiate more off of it. And we'll put my negotiating skills to the test. And hopefully they have something there that I like. From the one that I think I know that I want on their website, there said there's a lot of quantity. So I would assume it's a safe bet, but you know what they say about assuming. So I will see you when we get to the actual store. We picked the worst possible time to do this. We just spent like 5 minutes driving around trying to get to the detour because this road's closed, but yet we could go down it. And they better have, I really hope they have this chair. I'll just leave it like that. But let's go see if they actually have the chair. Man, there are chairs all over the place. There's other people here, so I don't know. We pulled out Nate's phone just to, I don't think anyone knows what's going on. But this is the one that I came for. Wait a second. This one's 700. I'd just be sitting in one that was 650. Where did the 650 one go?
This one.
No, but there's another one I could have. Yeah, here's a 650. Are these not the same chair?
They are. There's probably something.
So what, the scratch in this one is smaller than the scratch in this?
Yeah, probably.
All right. Let's see if this one feels. Yeah, I feel no I feel no $50 difference. I don't know. I don't know why that's different. So we're guessing this is why these blemishes are what's driving the prices down by like 50%. So I mean, I'm not high maintenance. I'm totally okay with some blemishes.
You've got 4 kids. There'll be more blemishes.
There are more blemishes to come, for sure. Good point. So Nate's checking the chair. I think I found the one, but he has one of these, so he knows all the functionalities, so therefore he's making sure they all work as should be. You look like a NASA astronaut right now.
I'm not sure what this one does. Oh, that changes the lumbar. Okay.
And this much changed the tension.
Is that right? Is it working?
Yep. Everything's working.
So all functions work? All functions function as they should?
Everything seems to be doing what it's supposed to do.
Excellent.
Yep. Yeah, for sure.
Approved?
Approved.
All right, I think that's the one then.
Cool.
No, I forget the other office chairs. This is what I'm carrying.
The weird part is it's totally plastic.
It doesn't feel durable. Go long, go short. Yeah. Right, get the cow chair. Super nice, super comfortable. In the comment section, let me know how much you think this is. So I'll pause. Okay, pause the video. Go type in the comment section. How much do you think? And it's really comfortable, but it's massive. How much do you think it is? All right, Nate. Original price, $30,000. Outlet, $10,000 for a couch. Well, I don't know. We'll see who got it right or wrong. But. All right, so that's the price for documentation's sake. Let's check my my skills. I'll show you the receipt afterward and see if that number's low or not. So let's see what happens.
How are you doing today, guys?
Good.
You need help? Are you ready to check
Are you
out?
Matt?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I was trying to negotiate price on this one.
Okay.
I was like, can you get it down to $550 instead of $650?
I can't come down that much. I can come down to 600 for it. But those are common. Those ones do pretty good. I'm not trying to make that up. They do well pretty good.
Okay. Well, I'll do 600 then.
Okay.
All right, so ended up paying, well, right there, $50 off. I tried for $150 off, and then I tried for $100 off, but they're like, because those chairs are so popular, they only do $50 off. So I got $50 off, which is better than nothing. And that sales tax gets you every time, another 36 bucks in tax, but we won't go down the tax rabbit hole. So success. Now we got to just get it back in the office. Okay, now we got to get this thing out. We're home. Oh man, how do we even get this thing in here? Oh yeah. I feel like Indiana Jones. Don't. That was a terrible analogy. Oh yeah. All right, there we go. Look at this thing. All right, let's get this in place. All right. Oh, I just made it. All right, come with me. Time to retire this thing. Dun, dun, dun. You want it, Nate?
No, I'm good.
I'll sell it to you for 36 bucks.
No.
Cover my tax.
I'm good.
Oh, mission complete. Feels great. It's not gonna let me slouch anymore, which will be very good for the back. But thank you for hanging out. And like I said, we'll put a link to this chair down below. And it doesn't look like they mail it out. So you'll probably have to go through Amazon or something like that. But it's a very nice chair, very industrious. Nate, like I said, the reason I wanted this one was because he's had his for over like 5 years. And the only thing wrong with it is there are some stains from his kids and stuff. He was telling me that they were trying to wash it for him with dish soap. So, I mean, the intent was good. So there's some stains, but besides that, the chair itself holds up. So knowing that I have 4 kids and that it can hold up through kids washing it with dish soap, I feel good about it. But like I said, we'll put a link down below if you want to look into this chair. But very, very nice. All sorts of custom dynamics. Like remember seeing Nate test all that stuff out there. So you can customize it any way you really want. And very robust, which is what I'm after. Good stuff. Thanks for hanging out. And I'll see you back next week for another Friday drive. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.